Hello friends, how are you? So today we are going to do another fun activity that has been taken from your book Marigold Class 4 in CERT from the poem Hiawatha. To get to this activity, you have to open your book and turn to page number 98. Okay, so let us see what do we have to do here. So this is the activity. It is available on page number 98 and it is the part of the section Let's Write. So in the previous video we did Let's Write question number 1, in which we wrote some sentences on the picture that was given to us and we also colored it, right? So this is the second question of the part Let's Write. Let us see what do we have to do here. Where do the following live? A. Birds live in. B. Rabbits live in. C. Beavers live in. So they have given us 3 animals. They have provided us with names of 3 animals and we have to tell where do they live. What are their homes called? For example, the place in which human beings live are called homes or houses, right? You live in a house, I live in a house, right? Similarly, all these animals also live somewhere and their places to live also have names. We have to find those names and write it here. So the first animal they are talking about is birds. Birds. Second is rabbits and third is beavers. Okay, so these are the 3 animals that we are going to talk about today. So first of all, where do birds live? So have you seen this kind of structure on your terrace or on your balcony or sometimes majorly on a tree? So these kind of structures are made by birds themselves. They collect straws or dried leaves and everything and they make it on a tree or on a elevated area. And they lay eggs on it, their children grows there. So they make this. What are they called? They are called nests. Nests. So birds live in nests. This is the living place. This is the house, home of a bird. And these are known as nests. So birds live in nests. You know, different kinds of birds make different kind of nests. Yes. Next we have rabbits. Yes, those white or brown, black, fluffy animals, rabbits. So where do rabbits live? Do you know? So rabbit makes holes underground. Underground they make holes and they live cozily there. They do this to protect themselves from wild animals. Okay, so they live in holes and they make these underground holes themselves. And these are known as burrows. What are they called? Burrows. See, this rabbit also made a hole underground and they live inside it. Okay, they go inside it. So these houses of rabbits are called burrows. What are they called? They are known as burrows. Last we have beavers. What do we have? We have beavers. So where does a beaver or where do beavers live? So they live here. Can you see? They live in ponds or any stable water. So they make this whole structure. Can you see it? And here we can see some beavers also. See, this beaver is entering because these are underwater entrances. These are underwater entrance and this is their nesting chamber. They sleep here, they rest here, and this is the eating chamber. See how intricate must be the process to make a beaver's home. See here also we can see a beaver bringing a straw to make this house. So beavers live in these kind of structures and this is such an intricate structure. And why am I calling it intricate? Because it is made over a water. Some entrances are underwater and others are over water. They have nesting chamber as well as eating chamber. See, like our houses have different homes, they have different chambers, right? So this is such an intricate process to make. So these kind of houses where beavers live is known as lodges. What are they known as? Lodges. So beavers live in a lodge, or beavers live in lodges. Similarly, see how hard work did a rabbit must have done to dig a hole to live here. So they have also done so much hard work to make their house cozy. And birds also have make such birds also make such beautiful nests intricately with the help of straws and their excellent skills. So birds live in nests, rabbits live in burrows, and beavers live in lodges. So these were the three animals that we had to talk about, and we now know where do they live and how their houses look. So in this video we just talked about these three animals. In the next video we are going to talk about more animals and their houses. So we'll meet next time with another fun video. Until then, bye bye.